The hardest problem in batteries is energy density. Modern batteries are being pushed to hold more energy in less space without getting heavier, hotter, or more dangerous. This is what limits almost everything that uses batteries, from drones to the grid. But energy density is only the problem we see from the outside. The deeper problem is the material inside the battery. Inside a modern rechargeable battery cell, there are two main sides. One side is the anode, the other side is the cathode, and between them is an electrolyte and a separator. That middle system lets charged particles move between two sides while keeping the cell from shorting out. When you charge the battery, charged particles move into one side and get stored in the material. When you actually use the battery, those particles move back across the anode and the cathode. That movement turns stored chemical energy into usable electricity. So it would seem better batteries is easy. Store more energy, make it charge faster, and make it last longer. But the more energy you pack in, the more particles the anode and cathode have to hold and move. And that puts more pressure on the tiny routes inside the material. They're not just empty containers, they are physical materials, the anode and cathode. Over time, the material can swell, get cracks, and get covered in chemical buildup. Eventually, when routes break down in the material, particles get trapped and some paths get clogged. If particles cannot move back across properly, the battery cannot turn as much stored energy into usable electricity. More energy ends up getting lost as heat and less comes out as power. As a result, the battery can look totally normal from the outside while the storage and release system inside wears down. That is the real nature of the problem. In a nutshell, batteries are not just an energy problem, they are a material problem. The hard work is finding battery material that can hold more energy, charge faster, and survive thousands of cycles without breaking down. And that really matters because batteries are central to our energy future. Solve this and batteries stop being the weak link in how we move, store, and use electricity. As always, follow me for more hard problems the world still needs to solve.